Now, first in at number 1, we have remove clutter. Get rid of those outgrown clothes, unwanted toys, and expired food. It's amazing how much easier cleaning becomes when you eliminate the unnecessary items. Now, give to others, donate. Spring cleaning's not just about refreshing your home, it's an opportunity to give back, so create a donation box. We next have prepare your equipment. Check the vacuum cleaner that you have all the attachments. Has the filter been washed? And have you emptied the bin compartment? Your mop head. Check your mop head. Make sure that is clean before you start, along with having a dustpan and broom to hand. Microfiber cloths for glass, mirror and dusting, and those finer microfiber cloths for your electricals, like your laptop and TV screens. And an extendable duster. Now, nothing disrupts the cleaning flow like running out of the essential products, so stock up on your cleaning supplies so you have everything before you start your spring cleaning. Now, have a plan. Now, by having a plan, this will help the spring cleaning be more manageable. Now, create a checklist for each room in your home that you plan to clean. Tackle the area which will need the most work first. That way, you will not run out of steam or motivation. Put everyone to work and have some fun. Whether you're tackling it with family or flying solo, there's a way to make it enjoyable. Those living with family, get the family involved. Even the little ones can lend a hand with the dusting and the organising. Happy cleaning!